I'm taking you behind the scenes of my nail room. I just got finished filming this video. If you haven't watched it, go check it out. But my nail room did get a little bit messy. It was getting intense. As soon as it looks like this, my brain I just can't think. I can't work. I don't know. Look, I have chargers, I have collections on the floor, a piece of Christmas decor. Like, girl, I need to get it together. So I went ahead and just packaged up all these OPI press-on nails that I found. They're so good that you never know. I might actually wear these again. Let me know your thoughts on press-on nails. I personally think they're such a cool way to get nail art within minutes without having to do a bunch of steps or just even taking the time. Some people don't have time, so I can't believe that press-on nails were popular like in the 90s, 80s, 90s. Like, I hadn't really heard of them until recently, probably like 2 years ago. So I just didn't even know they existed. The first time that I wore press-on nails, they lasted about like 2 whole weeks, and I actually didn't want them to last that long. I was trying to take them off. So if you apply them correctly, I feel like your retention will be a lot better. You guys let me know what you think. That's just what I think. And I can't live without Vaseline. Like, if you know, you know. I went ahead and just put my tripod away. I'm trying to clean up. And I have 2 desks to clean, so let me get to it. Then I went ahead and finished off camera, and here's the final result. I definitely feel better in a cleaner environment. Even if it's just a little bit of mess, like, I just can't. My brain, I just can't. So this is the final result. Let me show you a little bit of my trophies. Your girl is actually a black belt. And yes, thank you for watching. Bye.